Our skin is a remarkable organ, serving as the body's first line of defense against external elements. However, it is not immune to various issues that can affect its health and appearance. In this video, we will delve into 6 common skin problems and explore effective solutions to address them. So don't skip the video and watch until the end. 1. Acne. It is perhaps one of the most prevalent skin problems, affecting people of all ages. It occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells, leading to the formation of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Several factors, including hormonal changes, genetics, and certain medications, contribute to acne. Solution: adopting a consistent skincare routine is crucial for managing acne. Cleansing the skin twice daily with a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser helps remove excess oil and prevent clogged pores. Incorporating topical treatments containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid can also be effective. In severe cases, consulting a dermatologist for prescription medications or procedures may be necessary. 2. Eczema. Eczema, or atopic dermatitis, is a chronic skin condition characterized by inflammation, redness, and intense itching. It often develops in childhood but can persist into adulthood. Triggers for eczema include irritants, allergens, stress, and climate changes. Solution: moisturization is key to managing eczema. Using a fragrance-free, hypoallergenic moisturizer helps maintain the skin's hydration levels and reduces irritation. Avoiding harsh soaps and opting for gentle cleansers is also important. In severe cases, prescription medications like corticosteroids or immunosuppressants may be necessary, so consulting a dermatologist is recommended. 3. Psoriasis. It is an autoimmune condition that leads to the rapid buildup of skin cells, resulting in thick, red, and scaly patches. It can occur anywhere on the body and is often accompanied by itching and discomfort. Genetics, immune system dysfunction, and environmental factors contribute to psoriasis. Solution: treatment for psoriasis aims to reduce inflammation and slow down the rapid skin cell turnover. Topical treatments containing corticosteroids, vitamin D analogs, or retinoids are commonly prescribed. Phototherapy, which involves exposure to ultraviolet UV light, can also be effective. In severe cases, oral or injectable medications that modulate the immune system may be recommended by a dermatologist. 4. Rosacea. It is a chronic skin condition that primarily affects the face, causing redness, visible blood vessels, and small pus-filled bumps. Triggers for rosacea include sun exposure, spicy foods, alcohol, and stress. While the exact cause is unknown, a combination of genetic and environmental factors is believed to contribute. Solution: managing rosacea involves identifying and avoiding triggers. Sun protection is crucial, so using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 is recommended. Topical medications, such as metronidazole or azelaic acid, can help reduce redness and inflammation. In more severe cases, oral antibiotics or laser therapy may be prescribed by a dermatologist. 5. Wrinkles and fine lines. As we age, the skin loses collagen and elastin, leading to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, factors like sun exposure, smoking, and repetitive facial expressions contribute to premature aging of the skin. Solution: preventing and reducing wrinkles involves a combination of lifestyle changes and skincare. Sun protection is paramount, so wearing sunscreen and avoiding excessive sun exposure is crucial. Using anti-aging skincare products containing retinoids, antioxidants, and peptides can help stimulate collagen production and improve skin texture. In-office procedures like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or laser therapy can also be effective in reducing wrinkles. 6. Hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is the darkening of certain areas of the skin due to an overproduction of melanin. It can be caused by sun exposure, inflammation, hormonal changes, or injury to the skin, such as acne scars. Solution: managing hyperpigmentation involves a multifaceted approach. Sun protection is essential to prevent further darkening of the affected areas, so using sunscreen is crucial. Topical treatments containing ingredients like hydroquinone, vitamin C, or alpha hydroxy acids can help lighten dark spots. In-office procedures, such as chemical peels or laser therapy, may provide more immediate and dramatic results. Conclusion: while these solutions can be beneficial, it's essential to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options tailored to individual skin types and conditions. By incorporating these practices into your skincare routine, you can nurture healthy, radiant skin that stands the test of time. So if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.